Dobre utra, Kakila, Меня зовут Professor Ken. And here I am in Moscow, Russia, in Red Square, standing in front of St. Basil's Cathedral. Today I'm going to show you how to estimate the population mean if we have a sample mean and sample standard deviation. So let me start by sharing my screen. And what I'm going to do is turn off my video so you're not distracted by my good looks. All right, let's take a look at this problem. It says estimate the mean amount of time that Americans watch TV. Oh, if a sample of 100 Americans had a mean watching time of 2.4 hours and a standard deviation of 0.35 hours, use a 90% confidence interval. All right, so what information do we know? Okay, we know that n is equal to 100. We know that x bar, the mean of the sample mean, is equal to 2.4 hours. Now, sometimes you're going to be given a list of the data and you have to find the mean and the standard deviation from the list of the data. This is not one of the times, but I taught you that in class last time. And the sample standard deviation, which we use for S, is 0.35. So since we're using a 90% confidence interval, that means if we're going to draw a picture here, zero. Okay, we're talking about 90% here, and this is X. This is 2.4. We're going to have to find these two Z values, which is given to us by E, and we need to convert them into these two X values, which our Desmos will do for us, and that will be our margin of error. Okay, so let's, so alpha is going to be the area of this right tail, which would be if the confidence interval is 90%, then the area of each tail is 10%. So the area of one tail is 5% or 0.05. So there's all the important information that we have to input into our Desmos. So where is Desmos? Okay, there it is. And we have this other one open from before. Let's find population means. Yeah, that's what we're trying to calculate. Okay, here we go. So our mean, notice last time we had to input the data, this time we do not. Our mean is 2.4. So just highlight all this and write 2.4. Our sample size is 100. Our standard deviation is 0.35. And the size of our tail is 0.05. All right, so if we, 0.35 is our standard deviation. Okay. So if we look at our t-distribution, we see that the area shaded is 0.9. That means 90%, and that's exactly what we want. Our critical t-value is 1.66. So that would be here and here. Now we got to convert the positive 1.66 and the negative 1.66 into x values. But it does it for us. So our margin of error is 0.058. And our lower value is 2.34, and our upper value is 2.46. So let's go to our whiteboard, and we see that our lower value was equal to 2.34. Now, that's a good thing because we need our lower value to be lower than our sample mean. And our upper value is equal to 2.46. So what does that mean? It means that 2.34 is less than the population mean, which we call mu, and that's less than 2.46. So how do we interpret this? We say that the average amount of television watched by Americans is between 2.34 and 2.46 hours with 90% confidence. Whoa, why did that happen? But statistically, our important information is to say that 2.34 is less than mu, which is less than 2.46. So I hope this helps you to find the sample. I'm sorry, to estimate the population mean. I'm going to stop my share. I'm going to turn on my video, and I'm going to say goodbye from Russia, or do svidaniya, g'day, parushki, something like that. All right. До свидания.